Hello friends, today I'm here to tell you something about our company. Before that, let me tell you first that why is the name of our channel and page AJ Vlog Basket? We have two leaders of this AJ Vlog Basket. Ifran Kita and Chief, so you understand that this channel and page is not the two of us. Now let's get to the point. So friends, we both have two different companies. Ankita means my company's name is Marvelous World, where all organic beauty and health products are manufactured. And your Cheap and Bros company's name is Luminous World, where all organic home cleanser products are manufactured. Also, the products of other direct manufacturing companies are stocked in our company. And you will get all these products at a very low range, at a much lower price than the market price, at the wholesale price. And our products are very branded and guaranteed, pure. So we joined these two companies and made our brand a different one, which is called AML World, India's #1 shopping destination. We have created our company's shopping and retail app and website for your convenience. So today I will tell you what products are available in the app or website of our company, this AML World, India's #1 shopping and retail website or app, AML World. From here, you will get one piece product at wholesale price. All products at water price. No one else can offer such a low price. There is also special discount on each product and free home delivery service. So friends, without further ado, let's see what products are available on this AML World and what special discounts there are on which products. Before that, let me tell you one more important thing, that those who have not subscribed or follow our channel or page till now, they must do it and stay with us. And those who have already subscribed or followed our channel or page, they must support us in this way. Stay with us, stay by our side to get better and better videos. So, let's see. Get all kinds of organic beauty and health products with wholesale price from this website, AML World. And this is 100% pure. Get all kinds of organic home cleanser products with wholesale price. 30% flat offer is running now on Marvelous and Luminous World. So, go fast and buy your best product, guys. Winter seasonal offer. You can get trending and exclusive winter collections here with 40% discount. So, go fast and purchase. Sale, sale, sale. Exclusive and trending dress collections with 40% discount from this website. We have stocked unique types of shari, Punjabi, kids dress, lehenga, sherwani, jeans, top, etc. 40% flat. Wow! Unique and attractive types of shoes collections. All items is 100% guaranteed. And free home delivery service is available here. Starting price only ₹100. So go fast and purchase. Authentic and exclusive model jewelry collections for men and women both. 100% guaranteed and branded collections. India's #1 grocery shop, AML World. Free shipping charges all in India and 100% pure. Only you can get in AML World. Guys, you can also get branded and exclusive bags collections. Starting price only 300. So go fast and buy your best and choiceful product. A Mill Vault, India's #1 brand. Here you can get all kinds of kitchen utilities with wholesale price. Starting price only rupees 100. Wow! Now here you can get attractive and unique gift collections. Very cheap costed exclusive collections. Starting from rupees 50 only. Guys, here we have stocked bedding collections also. You can get 3D bed cover, pillow cover, carpets, etc. with wholesale price from this site. You can get mesmerizing feelings on your bedtime. Unique kinds of toys for babies. Babies always love to play. That's why we have stocked for them these exclusive and unique toys collections. Go fast and buy your choiceful products. Only on A Mill Vault. Everybody reads storybooks. India's best storybooks collection stocked here. All kinds of books you will get one place. Only on A Mill Vault. And 100% best collections. Get authentic, unique and branded furniture collections with reasonable price from this site. India's #1 shopping site, A Mill Vault. All in one. All kinds of furniture you will get here and 100% branded. Luminous Cyber Service. You will get all in one place. Ticket booking, resort booking, honeymoon trip guide, hospital booking, applications, etc. service you will get here. All in one place. A Mill Vault.